Hi everyone, welcome to another session on Government Schemes by Civils 360 IAS Academy. Today we are going to discuss about a scheme called PMJJBY, that is Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana. Whenever you see a tag like Bima Yojana, that means it is an insurance scheme. Since it is about Jeevan, this is a life insurance scheme. This scheme, Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana, introduced in 2015 by Ministry of Finance. This is a central sector scheme, that is the total funding came from center. Since it is an insurance scheme, there is a premium of 436 rupees per annum, and to be a beneficiary of this scheme you must have a bank account, and this premium amount is auto-debited from that account annually. And it is a life insurance scheme, so it is implemented by Life Insurance Corporation of India along with the other life insurers. About the key features of the scheme, this scheme covers people of age 18 to 50, and this also includes NRIs. So we can say that the scheme Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana have universal access. It gives access to people of age 18 to 50, and that too it includes NRIs. And the process of the scheme is very simple. If the death happens by accident or the death is natural, or even if it is due to some disasters, you will be covered under the scheme. It covers all causes of death, and you don't need to submit any medical certificates for this. That is why the process is simple. It has universal access for age from 18 to 50, and it has a simple process. You don't need to undergo any medical examinations, and it covers all causes of death, like if it is natural death, it is an accidental death, or it is due to disasters, the death is covered under the scheme. And there is another feature called pro rata premiums. Means if you are joining the scheme in the mid of the year, you only need to pay for the rest of the time. You don't have to pay for the 6 months that is past. You can pay for the rest of the year. That is what is called a pro rata premiums. And for any cause of death, this insurance scheme gives a insurance of 2 lakhs, and this is renewed year on year. And the conditions or the pre-requirements for the scheme is you must have a bank account, either in a bank or in a post office. You must hold an account, and you should give a consent to auto-debit the premium amount. As I said earlier, the premium amount is auto-debited. To auto-debit that premium amount, you must give a consent. You should have a bank account or a post office account, and you should give a consent for that auto-debiting. And about the scheme, the major beneficiaries are 53% of women are covered under the scheme, along with 74% of rural area. If there is 100 beneficiaries of the scheme, 53 of them will be women and 74 will be from rural area. This is the inclusivity of the scheme. So, Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana is a life insurance scheme that is introduced in 2015 by Ministry of Finance, and a annual premium of 400 plus rupees is debited automatically from your bank account. You must hold a bank account or a post office account, and you should give a consent for that auto debiting. And 53% of the scheme beneficiaries are women, along with 74% are from rural areas. This is all about the scheme. I hope the scheme is clear for you. See you on the next session. Thank you.